should be long. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having the Porsche Cayenne 2000, I think 16 or 17 here. I'm going to show you how to remove the door trim and side mirror. Let's get into the video. Sit here. Okay guys, for removing the door trim of the Porsche Cayenne, this model actually having so many bolted, and usually the Porsche not do like that, but let's see how it works. First you need to remove the this cover. Where is my screwdriver? You need the flat screwdriver to put it at this edge. Why is that coming? Like this, and then this side you have to slide it to the left. Otherwise you're gonna break those two hooks. And next step, let me open the bolt at the end. You need to remove this cover with the trim remover or plastic tools. It's more safe to do that. First, try to find the place, and then very gently after everything came out, don't slide it to yourself. Or look at that, having the three hook grabbing the inside. So after all coming out, need a little bit sliding to the right. Okay, opposite then door handle. And here we'll have one and two here. I think so. No, only one. This one. Yeah, two, right. But size is different. And another piece, one small one here. I think with the hand you can grab it. And then also torque 30. And next step is this armrest. With the hand, try to grab it up. What's that? 1, 2, 4. Actually, 9. 9 hook, all sitting here. And I don't know what is jumping out. This one, dirt, because I just thinking those are break. No, all is fine. And after remove that one, you need to take this one out. Okay, and that's done. Another small bolt, I think size torque 15 or 20 underneath it, exactly next to this light here. And okay, I'm going to remove. It's very deep. let's bring it long one. 30. Until now, 230. After remove that one, grab these things out. And another one here. I'm not sure, long time ago I did work on the Cayenne. So, where is there another one here? Four. So until now, 5 T30 torque some ship, and I think the bottom part should be 20 or 15. I just gonna bring just in case both. Yes, it's 20. That one. And then I'm not sure about this one, but just in case I open it, because it seems like on the door trim. That's a long time ago. So now door trim should be free from the bottom. You know, the most of the Porsche having the hook like this, when you're hitting, you can see my other video for 911 or Boxster, sliding up and then it's gonna come up. But this one is different, having the push pin. So we need to find the place to grab it like this. Very hard. Let me try this way. Yes. And for the side mirror, if you see we having the few gray color tape, those three, we need to remove it like this. And for the side mirror, the harness or the connector is those two. One is here. Before opening the bolt, removing the those connector. Having the two small tab. Okay, and then another one, if you see the red color, you have to pull it out and pushing the black tab, it's coming out. And put this rubber in. So I recommend it. I usually do that because sometimes when you want to put the mirror back, you have to find a way to come get in. So I do like this with the long zip tie and then masking tape. Tie those are together. I will explain more at the end. Make sure those are, use the strong masking. And then now you have to remove 3 bolts. First, open those 2, because like me, if you are alone at the shop, let me bring the magnet so not losing it. One should be long. That long. 3. If you are like me alone at the shop, after removing the 2, okay, now is the last one. Okay, grab the mirror from the outside, so we're not going to fill it off. I hope you can see because you have to hold the mirror. Still. Helping the mirror with the cable to go out. So you can see this is mirror, how to remove it. And then my tip I teach you is this one. If I take the camera to the other side, you will see. Yes. This one is stuck here, and then you can tape it in. So when you want to remove the, put the side mirror back again, you just tape it same way and then slide it in. It's super easy to put the mirror back. Okay guys, that's how we can remove the door trim and then side mirror of the Porsche Cayenne. I hope you guys like it and then useful for you. It's super easy, but so many things you have to do. And if you like my video, please share it, subscribe the channel, and then give me thumbs up. See you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.